Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about these gorgeous contact lenses by Kamiya. I've got 6 colors to show you guys today, and bear in mind they have 20% discount for you guys when you use the code DARE at checkout. Don't forget to use the discount code for massive 20% off all your orders. So feel free to check out their website. So for today's look, I'm going to be showing you guys my natural eyes and one eye with the lens and the 2 lenses of my eyes. So this is Elf Blue. Elf Blue is one of my favorite because it has this gorgeous blue tone with, shade of brown in my opinion, which I really love. I love how the color popped out of my eyes and really complements my skin tone a lot. I love the fact that their lenses are very lightweight and they don't irritate my eyes at all. I love the fact that they go on easily and you can easily take them off as well. I love this Elf Blue a lot. I can wear it anywhere, any day, anytime. Like it's one of my favorite color so far. So yeah, I love Elf Blue, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Kamiya lenses. Their lenses are very affordable, and coupled with the fact that you get 20% off using my code. And this is Galaxy Mask. Guys, if you don't buy any lenses, just try Galaxy Mask. It's a very gorgeous brown shade or brown lens that would complement any skin tone, guys, any skin tone. In fact, I could actually see myself wearing this every single day. If you're the type that wear prescription lenses and you like the color brown, I'll definitely recommend that you get this one. It complements my skin tone, and I'm definitely sure that it will definitely complement any skin tone at all. Like, look at that. I love how, their lenses are like, how do I put them? Very lightweight. You can barely tell that they're there when you put them on, and they don't irritate my eyes whatsoever. And they're affordable as well. How amazing is that? Look at this one, guys. I see myself wearing this on an occasion whereby I want people to take notice of my eyes. I want my eyes to do the talking. Then I'll definitely recommend this one. If you're the type that you want to go into an event and want all eyes on you, or you want your eyes to do the talking, then this is definitely for you. Or you want to do like a makeup tutorial like for Halloween or anything like that, then I would definitely recommend this one. I really like it a lot because it's a very unique blue or turquoise. I don't know, but it's a very unique lens. It's one of the special one I've got in my collection at the moment, and I'm really loving it. So Melody Blue Grey is a very unique one as well, because if you're the type that wear prescription lenses and you don't want people to know that you're wearing contact lenses, then this is definitely for you. You can wear it without people noticing that you're wearing contact lens. If that's what you're going for, then I would definitely recommend Melody Blue Grey, because it complements my skin tone and it also gives that my eyes but better look, if that makes sense. You can barely tell that it's there. So if you don't want people to know you're wearing contact lenses, then this is definitely for you. You could be wearing it and people wouldn't even notice. So I love that about that one. And this BATIS Ocean AVELA, guys, if you're looking for a subtle brown contact lenses that would complement your eyes or your look, everyday makeup look or work look, then this is definitely for you, because it's so simple and gives that natural look to the eyes, and it's like very attractive in my opinion. I would definitely see myself wearing this every day as well, because it's so I don't know how to explain this. I just love how natural it looks on my eyes. And three-tone turquoise, wow, guys, you need this one. You need this one, because if you're going on an event like you just want something different from your own natural eyes, but something not too crazy, not too loud, then this is definitely for you, because it's so gorgeous that it gives that multicolored tone to it, if that makes sense. I love how this, you know, makes my eyes like, I don't know, say brighter, or I don't know how to explain it, but trust me, you need their lenses in your life. And yeah, that's the end of today's video. Please feel free to ask me any question about these lenses, and I would surely answer your questions. If you don't know Kamiya lenses, they have contact lens brand that sells all types of contact lenses on their website. They have color lenses, they have prescription lenses, they have all types of contact lenses at affordable price, and the quality of their contact lenses is out of this world, like very lightweight without any irritation, guys. I love their packaging as well, and I love the fact that they gave you this gorgeous cute teddy or whatever it's called. It's really nice. So yeah, that's the end of today's look, guys. Please feel free to check out their website, and don't forget to use the code there at checkout to get 20% off your shopping, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.